Okay, there are a number of ways of starting Microsoft Word. We click on the Office button and we locate all programs. From there, we locate the Microsoft Office folder from the list, and then we locate Microsoft Office Word 2007. Click on it and it begins to launch the application. Good. Now, another way to start the Microsoft Word program is to click on the Start button. We go to All Programs. We click on Microsoft Office. Then we right click on Microsoft Office Word 2007. We click on Send to and we select Desktop. It creates a shortcut on the desktop for easy access. So now when we double click on this icon on the desktop, it launches the program. Very good. Now a third way to start Microsoft Word is to click on the Start button and locate Microsoft Word from the list here. Click on it and it launches the application. So those are three quick ways of doing it.